Hello everyone and welcome to section 4 of Common Issues with Dashboards. In this video we're going to focus on highlighting and filtering actions on dashboards. So the context here is when we're using dashboards in Tableau, and the situation is when we've built our dashboard, added multiple sheets, and actually added highlighting or filtering actions. Now we would expect that by clicking on a specific mark on one of our sheets, we would actually have the respective data highlighted on other sheets. Well, it's not happening. It's not giving us the result we want. Okay, without further ado, let's jump right into Tableau and see how we can solve this issue. Okay, here we are. I've already created 2 sheets and 1 dashboard to save time. So I'm just gonna run you through the sheets and the dashboard. The first one is sales by category. I have sales numbers for the 3 categories. The second sheet we have is sales by subcategory. So this one is, for instance, copiers, bookcases. These are all subcategories. And then on dashboard, I have sales by category, sales by subcategory besides each other. So let's go and create a highlighting action first. Dashboard, actions, add action, highlight, and let's just go create it. Now, let's see. The result I'm looking for is when I click on technology, for instance, on the category side of things, every subcategory of technology be highlighted on this chart, on the subcategory chart. Let's see how it works. Well, this is not what I'm looking for because it's basically highlighting the year and all the marks in that year. So let's see what we can do. Go to dashboard, actions, click, edit. Now here I can do a number of things. I can go to only selected fields and select category as my target highlighting. Let's see if it works. Again, technology. Nothing is being highlighted, but it should. So what is the solution? It's very simple. Go to your subcategory sheet and note that here on your marks you only have subcategory. And here you have only category. For the highlighting to work, you need to add category to your, let's say, detail. So I'm just gonna drag drop category here and let's see what happens in our dashboard now. So I'm gonna go ahead, click on technology, and voila, there it is. Clicking on a category would highlight the respective subcategories. If I change it, if I click on office supplies, I have the office supplies highlighted on the other sheet. So taking it a step further, you can always go to dashboard, actions, edit, and play around with the settings over here. Or you can change your action to start by hovering or going to the menu. It's all up to you. Great.